character. Yeah, I would like to call it a character. Esibonayo la. Perhaps ngutata yakho. Ubani le character ekabani le? Kamalume katata ekamama.
Lendi yongo.
Yeah.
I believe it's my uncle. Crime. Ibisuka from good time. So yeah, now he wasn't into Windows enombolo, no. But his younger brothers named cousins like yeah. So I believe like crime developer. I was born Glendo. Sure.
Yeah. Khange uye etrongweni, khange uhlale etrongweni.
Anhlelanga because izinto bengizenza. Lamthetho lo bengisithi bendushaya. Ipheli number 1 sithi siyakudabula phezulu kwento ethi nawe umuntu ongaphandle yamfakela igcola kanjani suna.
So wena lokho uprotectwa abantu abayibhoko esingabazi.
Abantu that I also don't know.
Yeah.
Abantu engazange ndababona nami.
Yeah. Yebani.
But ngabantu abathi uzawushaya lento it nansi losi.
Yeah.
Losi isimani ke loshi. Kanti izangikhawatha.
When was the time you realized ukuthi I know ndingenile ke ngoku ndingene deep kulento?
And I was still in school.
Yeah.
I think I was still in school.
Yeah.
And even though I was still in school, bendingafuna uyiyeka.
Ngifuna sike singene deep. Sesiyovisita ke ngoku indaba katata.
I don't know about what happened along ibond yethu. Because unabanye abantwana, you know, and go with him focusing on abanye abantwana. Yanishekisa lonto. And ukundishekisa kwakhe lapho khona I went outside and I found father figures. Because I found father figures number 1 ezisibanga phakathi. Because izebe zithi jonga sizawuthi sawufaka imali ayitsali.
Do you have a relationship with your dad?
To be honest, I can meet him endleleni, the chayisana naye endleleni on the same road. And akufana ngathi idlulumeza. Akufana ngathi idlulumeza because umedla mos uyama uhude. Ekuse kanjani usikasi mfethu? So it is very bad.
Nihlangana endleleni kube cold ngathi udlula umkhozi or stranger umuntu ongekho obligated ukumbulisa.
Yeah. Ungathi ngumuntu bungamazi, ngathi ngumuntu bungahlali naye. Wena ungena nje pha ubukiwe nje yonke into ungena kwakho nje pha ngomuntu ujikele wena. So you can't tell me that.
Are you that cold or ukwenze ukuphushele ekhoneni lo muntu?
Bantu. Letsothi le babe kusithiwa ndiyakwazi nendiyikhimbile letho ndiyikhimbile seletho singabikho.
Yo. Bona ukufikela lo mqondo ukuthi lo muntu kuyafana ukuthi into engekho.
To be honest, I'm a very nice person. But I can be very heartless. That was my first encounter ngibambe yentshiza la kumesandleni and ndingayigwaji.
So manje abantu maba retire abanye they hand over. What happened to amacephe?
Amacephe kaloku you return them apho usuka khona. You know, kune location ehlala amajita apho khona chayiseka all sort of amacephe. Shukuthi irifle yanchayisa. So elicephe I take them ndiwanika namajita. If siyafika kule ndawo ekusemfethu platya nangamacephe kuthiwa mandwazisapha. Remember lamajita namandwazi andimazi kwalo mntu ndifoneleyo uthe along the way uzawutshayisana namajita azothi.
What is the worst thing oke wayenza in life?
Totally, it has become a norm. You know, kumaniseka uba uzawutshayisana nomntana uzakuxhomela u7 laa nto phaa ngaphakathi ithetha likhulu uzanixhomela u7 uzanixhomela u6 uzanixhomela u8 ithetha ukuthini laa nto laa mntu uzawufuna igcwala kanjani mhlawumbi umntu omdala uzawufuna igcwala kanjani mna ndizakuyeka because uzandithatha ukuthi nditsheri mna ngazinto.